in 10 days without any additional cost. Goodies from TridentZ. Let's unbox it. So what did we get? And we got a charger, which is half the price if you pre-order the device. I mean, there's no pre-order, just half the price. There's a discount code for you. Link in the description, of course. Latest charger, 50-watt charger, and Ultra X100 Ultra. And of course, two converters. Wow. Flash charger. All right. Accessories. Manual. Where's the cable? There's no cable inside? No cable? This is very heavy. It has a fan on the bottom. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but very heavy. USB Type-C. But no cable. Come on, no cable. Something on the top. All right. Satisfaction. And of course, the star of today's video, Vivo X100 Ultra. Oh, wait a minute. Well, it smells like a fresh clothes. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That's big. What the? This is the biggest lens I've seen ever in any smartphone. And when I place the phone, fast charging. And did you notice that it didn't go all the way? It stops. It recognizes the camera. Wow. Impressive. Flash charge. Can you hear the noise? That fan is pretty noisy. But of course, it has to be. That is 50-watt wireless charging. It needs to be cooled. Accessories. Very nice presentation. And we do have a case included, which is a rubber case. Feels very nice in the hand. Very, very nice. Manual. Cable. USB Type-C cable to A. Wow. Now that is cool. SIM card 2. And of course, a charger. There's no branding. How many watts? That's 80-watt charger. There you go. There you go. Ding. Satisfaction. Alright, the device itself is definitely heavier on the top because that camera, you can feel that camera weight, of course. But on the left, we do have a brush, I think it's a brush aluminum and power button antenna, volume and antenna, and it feels pretty good in the hand. Very nice in the hand. All right. At the top, okay, let me just, because I don't see the screen. Let me close it up. We do have air blaster, microphone, antenna, professional photography, antenna, and a speaker. On the left, 3 antennas, and at the bottom, we do have a huge speaker, 2 antennas, USB Type-C, microphone, and SIM card tray, and everything is in the brushed aluminum, high quality, of course. Telephoto, the main lens. Not sure about this one, and I'm not sure what the Ultra. I don't know. The flash is on the side. Well, let me just power it on. Oh, it's already on. Does it remind you something? iPhone stuff? iPhone? Apple? That wallpaper? Apple stuff? This is supposed to be gray version, and it kind of is a gray, but it's very light gray. Well, in case, is it going to protect your camera and the screen? Let's put it on. It feels okay with the case. It's not adding any too much grip. It's still a bit slippery, but It will protect your camera, like you can see all around very nicely, and will protect the screen on the bottom and on the top, especially in the corners. On the sides, not really. It still feels good in the hands, but without it, a bit better. Of course, we do have 5G, VoLTE, which is HD calling, which is super cool. Let's test the speed on the 5G. But do remember that we are indoors. There's concrete walls all around us. 150, okay, 170. Yeah, in a studio with concrete walls. 200, oh wow, impressive. Okay, that's good. That's really good. And the upload probably will be small, yeah. We have to go outside to do that correctly. Alright, like you can see, this smartphone is smooth, extremely smooth. If we go to the settings, we do have activation warranty card if you wanted to. Sign up, you can sign up. Of course, Wi-Fi, mobile network, satellite network, more connections, sound, let's hit display and brightness. Let me turn it down a little bit. I think it's way too bright for the camera. There's a dark mode, eye protection, auto lock, portrait, front view. Alright, that's a little bit too much. Front size standard, we can make it lower, smaller if you wanted to. Color settings, do remember that this is just unboxing, and we set it to ultra, and we also have screen refresher. You can do it on 120 fixed, 60 smart adoption, which I would recommend, and separate app. You can choose the app for the refresh. Now that customization is vast. Full screen display, app display. Oh my god, there's even always on display. Tons and tons of them, and HD mode. All right. But you know what? I don't like that wallpaper. I don't like it at all. Just like that, and you can choose the wallpaper. How beautiful the wallpaper are. Damn. Wow. They are beautiful. Wow. So very. What is that? Not sure what the sun means at the bottom, but let me choose one of the beautiful wallpaper. Nice, very nice. All right, but let's talk about the camera just a little bit, because this is just unboxing. But we do have a snapshot, we do have a night mode, and tons of features. Do remember that I will make a separate video walkthrough for this camera. It will be quite a long one, because there's like tons of features. Anyway, yeah, we do have portrait mode, and in the portrait mode there's a lot of filters. Tons of them, even more. Jeez. And beauty mode. Photo is tracking me very nicely. There's a secret menu, then you can choose and switch to the semi-pro feature. You can adjust. You can put a little bit of vivid, a little bit of black and white, a little bit of texture, all kinds of stuff. And if we hit here, pause the video if you want to read all of those. The amount of features is insane, like I said. Presets, wow. HDR. Yeah, let's go back to the regular one, and the regular one is also insane. I'll bring some stuff to show you some colors, just this tiny bit. Look at the dedicated macro. Look at the macro. Look at that macro. That is brutally insane. Anyway, we do have autofocus in wide angle lens. We can do all kinds of macro in wide angle. Wow, amazing. And it's notifying me what I'm doing wrong. If we go 3x, look at the dust on that remote control. Whoa, now that is a macro in telephoto. No, really? It's like a macroscope. Shh, come on. You know how small that is? I don't even see it in my own eyes, barely. Damn, this is basically a microscope. And we also have size, vivid, and texture. And more settings. There are a lot of settings. Wow. HDR. Anyway. And filters. Let's do a video. You know what I noticed in the video? Then we have Dolby Vision. Then we have 8K, 30 frames per second. Then we have 4K 120. If we go 4K 60, we can record and switch lenses during the recording all the way to 20. switch lenses, pause the video, take a photo, and switch lenses front and back during the recording. 4K 60 in front-facing camera with autofocus. This smartphone have it all. This app is packed like crazy. It has it all. What else would you need? Things even have too much. Anyone who will use that? Maybe you will. I don't know. The amount of food. I mean. No. Let's leave that for the separate video. Come on. Okay, high resolution, 200. Bam. Okay, why so zoomed in 200? Damn, 200. Okay, let me show you some samples for photo and video, and there will be a link in the description to download original photos. Wide angle lens. This camera can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 120, which is outstanding. Well, I think it's the best in the market. Look how wide that is, and we do have autofocus in wide angle lens, which is not the fastest, but updates are coming soon. Why do you need autofocus in wide angle lens? For example, if you want to show such a close-up in great details. Now, if you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. And in the main lens, you have a very nice bokeh effect. Huge telephoto, all the way to 10x. Okay, that was fast. 20x. There's a truck. I'm unable to see the license plate. For my eyes, it's too far. Let me closer. 1x, 2x, 3.7. 10, and I can read the license plate very clearly. I can go even 20. It's very clear image for the license plate and for the truck itself. For the video and photo, this telephoto is amazing. And if I switch to the photo, this should be even better. Damn, that is insane. I have to remind you how far that is, and it's very, very far. Well, you can control it manually, of course, with no problemo. And we can switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60. Now that is a deal breaker. This smartphone has it all, literally all. I think it's better than Galaxy S24 Ultra with the features. And also 4K 60 with autofocus, so, and pretty wide. Look how wide I am. And also a noise cancellation on the fly, which I'm at the moment, but noise cancellation will distort the audio a little bit. So let's forget about the noise cancellation for a little bit. Pictures, and the question is it oversaturating the image, especially in the red department? Yes, it will a little bit. Even if you go all the way to the Zeiss natural colors, it will a little bit, but manually you can correct that, of course. But I'm always doing auto mode on YouTube because most of the people will do auto mode. So, but it's not too much, just a bit. Look at that details. I mean, that is nice, really nice. Share of details is amazing. Check out that tree. Damn. There will be a link description for you to download the original photos. Wow. Now this one looks like from like proper camera. This is a proper camera. The share of details is mind-blowing. And that wasn't a 200 megapixel. That was a simple photo. Damn. Incredible. This could be the best in the market. Check out that building. It's all sharp. It's not over sharpening the image, because usually smartphones are making those photos too sharp. This is not the case. And it was a very little light. It was already like, I don't know, 17, which is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. So that's not the middle of the day. It's 5 p.m. So yeah. Look at those beautiful cars, amigo. Look at those colors. And the pigeon. I was trying to make a pigeon from the telephoto. I mean, shoot a pigeon. I mean, take a photo from on that pigeon, and mostly came out really good. He lost his finger. Look. How many pictures do I have with that? Oh, Pringles! A whole pack of them. Okay, night. I was walking. That's why we do have some blur on the sides. I was literally walking and making photo. And it was stationary. Damn. Impressive. Best in the market. Okay. There's nothing to compare. From the wide angle, wide angle is not bright enough. You'll have to use the main lens. Vivo. What a smartphone. The amount of features is amazing. I think this could be one of the best, maybe even the best camera Android smartphone in the world. It has more features than Galaxy S24 Ultra in the camera department. Well, it's also smaller and has a faster charging. But Galaxy has a better screen and a pencil, which is also pretty cool. So there's something for everyone. I would prefer this one because it feels better in the hand. Samsung is a clunker. It's big, uncomfortable to use. This is not the case. This is pretty comfortable. It's still a big smartphone, but it's not like humongous. It's okay. And I like the fast charging. And wireless fast charging, damn. You don't have to wait like 2 hours to charge. It's instant. And that's Vivo for you. And that's what I have. That's the first impression, camera test, camera walkthrough, and the full review coming soon. And I like that charger. When you can trick it if you want to. I'm not sure why it's opening like that. What is this for? Let me know in a comment below. Link in the description also with an additional code for you. Discount code. See you next video. Bye.